Hi, I'm pmjolley, and today we're going to talk about why LinkedIn is specifically important for lead generation, your business, and why you should be using it right now. Okay, so LinkedIn is a shared network. So if I have 30,000 people in my network, and my friends have 30,000, and their friends have 30,000, it means that within a connection, I can find a resource which can help me in my business. So this is why LinkedIn is really important, because it's quickly to find those networks. So it's so important as a business to, when someone lands on your page, they can see within a few minutes who you are and what value you can add to them. The landing page is so important for every business, the business landing page, your personal landing page. So today we're going to talk about, and we're going to through landing pages. And I'll flip over to the computer and do it from the computer. Have a great day. Okay, I'm back on the computer to explain why LinkedIn is so important to a business. Okay, first you need to make your profile professional. You need a descriptive banner, you need an about you, be engaging, you need a tagline, you need some key points, you need your educational information, you need some posts, some links, you need your employment history, some volunteer experience, skills and endorsements, recommendations and accomplishments. So let's go through them one by one. First, the descriptive banner. Descriptive banner is your eye catch, your eye candy. Something inspirational, a nice professional photograph, something that catches the eye. And of course, the about is all about yourself and what value you can add to the person who's looking at your profile. So in a few short words, you want to sum up who you are, what you do, and why you do it, and any other accomplishments and talents that you have. So the tagline used to be, I'm the founder and CEO of this company, but now it's turned into a clear description in a few short words on what you are and what value you can add. So you know straight away who you're dealing with. Then we go on to building your profile. So to give validation of who you are, and it's not a fake profile. So you've got your educational information, where you studied. Then we've got the featured post link. This is a new thing on LinkedIn where you can add something like a comment or a photo or a post link, something to do with you and who you are. Of course, your work experience is very important, what you did in the job before or what you're doing now in the job that you're doing. LinkedIn evolved from a job website into a LinkedIn lead generation, but still educational information, job experience, it defines who you are. So you need to put as much information as you can so the person viewing your page can see who they are within a few short minutes of reading. Volunteer experience also important because it also defines who you are if you're a good person. And of course your skills and endorsements. Skills endorsements are quite important. The first three are important ones because they're the ones that get endorsed most frequently. So you can add maybe 40 different skills that you can enjoy doing, and maybe you need to move them around and increase the endorsements that you have. Recommendations is good because you can give recommendations to people, and you can ask people to give recommendations to you, people who've worked with you or interacted with you. And of course accomplishments, whether it's learning a language or learning how to use WordPress or whatever accomplishment that you have done. That's the basis for your personal profile. Your company page is also very important because once they land on your page, they'll also view your company page and what your company is about and what your company has to offer. Again, we have a nice descriptive banner and a nice tagline, so straight away you can see what the company is about within a few short words. It's just so that people can quickly see what your company is about. And of course, you need all the contact details and how to get in touch if you're interested in doing business. And of course, you want to add all your employees, ask them all to join to say that they're working at the company. Again, it gives you trust and validity about who your company is and what they do. Most important, you need to be putting in posts and having your employees liking your posts, because again, LinkedIn has only got 30,000 people, and if each employee likes the posts, then it spreads out, and the organic reach on LinkedIn right now is huge, because LinkedIn has 600 million people using this platform, a big number anyway, and not many of them are actually posting. So now is a really good time in 2020 to be doing posts on LinkedIn. So posts are very important. Your service is offered, something about your company. It's basically to let people know that you are actually a company and you are trading, and you are letting people know the services and products that you have to offer. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment in the description below and give me a like. And the next one, I'll be talking about how to get more likes and how to make LinkedIn an effective platform for you and your business. So thanks for watching.